How to update apps on iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to update apps on iPhone. So in order to update the apps, you need to open the App Store. Just simply open that, and over here just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner of the iPad screen, and you will have the option called apps over here. Just simply tap on it and you can see all your apps that you have in your iPad. Just come back, scroll down, and over here you have the option which says updated recently. So whenever you have any app which is pending for update, your iPad will automatically update all the apps and it will show under the list which is called updated recently. And if the app has not updated automatically, so you need to check your Wi-Fi connection and the internet connection on your iPad. And once this is connected, your apps and all the application will get updated automatically in your iPad. So that's how you will be able to update apps on iPad. I hope you find this video to be helpful.